Paris, the city of lights, the city of love. It's a place that holds a special place in my heart. The cobblestone streets, the aroma of freshly baked bread, the sound of accordions echoing through charming cafes. It all comes together to create an atmosphere unlike any other. This trip was particularly special. I was meeting my dearest friends in Paris. We had shared so many incredible memories here, and we were ready to create more. Our first stop was the open-air market in the heart of the city. Colorful stalls overflowed with fresh produce, fragrant cheeses, and beautiful flowers. We strolled hand in hand, laughing and reminiscing about past adventures. The energy of the market was contagious. We were surrounded by locals and tourists alike, all enjoying the vibrant atmosphere. We stopped to admire the colorful displays of fruits and vegetables. The vendors were friendly and eager to share their knowledge. We even tried a few samples along the way. The scent of freshly baked bread drew us to a nearby bakery. We couldn't resist picking up a warm baguette and some pastries to enjoy later. Our next adventure was a French cooking class. We met our chef Fred in a charming little kitchen tucked away on a side street. Fred was full of energy and passion for French cuisine. He taught us how to make classic dishes like coq au vin and crème brûlée. We laughed, we learned, and we even impressed ourselves with our culinary skills. The best part was sitting down together to enjoy the fruits of our labor. We savored each bite, accompanied by good wine and even better conversation. As the sun began to set, we found ourselves drawn to Le Léon, a charming cafe we had stumbled upon on a previous trip. The atmosphere was cozy and inviting, with warm lighting and the sound of Edith Piaf playing softly in the background. We ordered their signature Cosmopolitan cocktails and toasted to our friendship and the magic of Paris. The conversation flowed effortlessly as we shared stories and laughter late into the night. Paris has a way of making every moment feel special.
Gretchen, ça va? Oui, ça va. Conrad, ça va? Oui, ça va. Everybody, ça va? Ça va? Ça va?